3 ingredients, 5 recipes. Are you ready to make these Easter treats that are super easy to make? Perfect for last minute desserts? Let's go. First, let's make the cutest Easter nests using just 3 ingredients. Melt your chocolate until smooth and glossy. Mix in crunchy cornflakes until fully coated. Now spoon this mixture into little nests on a tray. Top each one with colorful mini eggs for that Easter vibe. Chill for a few minutes in the refrigerator, and that's it. Your chocolate nests are ready. Second, peanut butter Easter eggs. Craving homemade Easter candy? Try these easy peanut butter eggs. Mix peanut butter and powdered sugar into a soft dough. Shape them into egg forms with your hands. This might take little practice, but you're going to get it for sure. After shaping them into egg form, dip each one into the melted chocolate for that rich coating. Let each of them set and enjoy your creamy chocolatey Easter treats. Third, strawberry yogurt bark. Here's a fresh and healthy Easter treat. Mix thick yogurt with a little honey for sweetness. Spread it evenly on a tray that is covered with parchment paper. Top with juicy strawberries or any fruit of your choice. Freeze until firm, then break into pieces. Cool, colorful, and perfect for spring. Fourth, carrot cake energy bites. Want a healthy Easter snack? Try these carrot cake bites. Blend dates and grated carrots into a sticky mix. Roll into small bite-sized balls. You can coat them in either pistachios or any other nuts, or even coconut for extra texture. And that's it. Naturally sweet, no baking needed carrot cake energy bites are ready. Fifth, Oreo Easter Truffles. Let's make rich and indulgent Oreo truffles. Crush Oreos and mix with cream cheese until smooth. Roll into perfect little balls. Dip each one of them into melted chocolate for that glossy, mirrory finish. Let them set, and your festive truffles are ready to serve. Which one will you try first? Save this for later and follow for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.